Welcome. In this guide, I'll show you how to automatically generate PDF documents from your Contact Form 7 submissions step by step. Let's get started. So what does this plugin actually do? In short, it watches your Contact Form 7 submissions and turns each one into a fully designed PDF that you can email, download, or archive. Before we begin, make sure you have Contact Form 7 installed, plus our free plugin, PDF for Contact Form 7. Both are available on WordPress.org. To install it, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for PDF for Contact Form 7. Click Install, then Activate. That's it, no configuration needed yet. First, we'll design a PDF template. In your dashboard, open the PDF Templates menu and click Add New Template. This is the drag and drop builder. On the left is your Elements panel. In the center is your document canvas. Everything you add here becomes your PDF. Let's start with a heading. Drag a text element onto the canvas, type your title, and set the font size and color. You can also drop in images, add your company logo at the top, then drag its corners to resize it perfectly. Now the important part, dynamic data. Add another text element and insert your Contact Form 7 mail tags, like your name, your email, and your message. These fill in automatically for every submission. Need structured data? Drag in a table element to lay out fields neatly in rows and columns. You can even add a QR code or a barcode. Drop one in and point it at any field or link you like. Style your document to match your brand. Add your logo, pick fonts and colors, and choose the paper size, A4, letter, or custom size. Add a header and footer too. For page numbers, your website address, or a thank you note repeated neatly on every page. Want content that adapts? With conditional logic, you can show or hide a section based on what the visitor submitted. At any time, hit Preview to see exactly how your PDF will look with real data. What you see here is what your visitors get. Happy with it? Click Save. Your template is now ready to use. Next, let's connect it to a form. Go to Contact and open the form you want to attach the PDF to. Thanks to the plugin, there's a new PDF tab right here in the Contact Form 7 editor. Click it to open the PDF settings. From the Template dropdown, choose the template you just created. Then decide how it's delivered. Turn on Attach to Email to send it with your notifications and allow Download to give visitors a link after they submit. Then save the form. Now let's test it. Open your form on the front end, fill it in, and hit Send. Check your inbox. There's the notification email with your generated PDF attached, filled with the submission's data. And on the confirmation screen, your visitor sees a download link, so they can grab their own copy instantly. Templates are reusable. Build one great design and attach it to as many different forms as you like. Want a backup of everything? Connect Dropbox once, and every generated PDF is saved to your account automatically. A few pro tips. You can attach multiple templates to one form, reuse a template across many forms, and back up every PDF to Dropbox automatically. Let's recap. You designed a template, added dynamic fields, attached it to your form, and tested it. Just 4 simple steps. And that's it! You're now generating professional PDFs from Contact Form 7 automatically and for free. Thanks for watching.